Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about GitHub Codespaces and how you can use it on your tablet. If you're a developer who wants to go coding on the go or doesn't want to invest in a powerful machine, Codespaces can be a game changer for you. So let's get started. First of all, let's define what GitHub Codespaces is. Simply put, it's a code-based development platform allowing you to code, build, and debug your applications using a web browser. It's like having a virtual machine running on a remote server, but without any of the setup or maintenance. Codespaces is fully integrated with GitHub, which is super nice, and that means you'll be able to access your repositories, get your pull requests out, and view issues directly from the web-based IDE. So why would you want to use Codespaces instead of your local machine? Well, there are several advantages. For one, you don't need to use a powerful computer to get started with development. You can use any device with a web browser and an internet connection. Second, it eliminates the need to install and configure your development environment every time that you get in on a different machine. So now that we know about what Codespaces is, let's talk about why it's useful, and let's talk about how you can use it on your tablet. To get started, you'll need a GitHub account and a tablet, of course, and a web browser. So navigate to the Codespaces section on your GitHub profile, and then you'll be able to see an option to create new Codespace. You choose your desired environment, such as Python or Node.js or even .NET. I'd go with Node.js if we're going to be doing React. This will spin up a new virtual machine in the cloud with all the necessary dependencies already installed for you. Once your Codespace is created, you can access it from any device with the web browser. So open up Chrome and then you navigate to the Codespaces section from your GitHub profile, and you should see a list of all your Codespaces. First, you're going to click on the Codespace that you want to use to take advantage of it, and go to your web-based IDE. Then you can write tests, debug your code, just as you would on a local machine. But what if you want to connect to one of your repositories from GitHub? It's super simple. Just simply go into Codespace and clone the repository that you want, and then you'll be good to go. And then you'll be able to commit, push, pull, and make changes that you want locally on your machine. And because it's fully integrated with GitHub, you can even create pull requests, manage your issues directly from the IDE. So that's how you use GitHub Codespaces on your tablet, whether you're traveling, working from a coffee shop, or just want to be tied to the desktop. Codespaces gives you a fully flexible way to code from anywhere with an internet connection, of course. And with its seamless integration with GitHub, you can be sure that your code is safe, secure, and it's always going to be accessible no matter where you're at. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments what you guys liked about it, what you learned, and if it was useful, hit that like button. Thanks again for watching.